Dear students, welcome back to our part 2 of our session. We are working on exercise 4, figure 4, page 21 on the new exercise book. In your exercise book that you have it will be on page 15. Okay, we already did in the last videos the front view, top view and side view, the visible parts of these, and now we'll deal with the hidden and the intersection of cylinders. Let us project the hidden parts. We have here a hidden part. Let us see it in the model. So this line, it will be hidden in the back of this surface of the cylinder. Okay, let's go. Where's my hidden line? Here's my hidden line, and I'll draw a line from here there. This is my first part. Second part, it will be the tunnel. So I'll draw construction line here and construction line from here there. Okay, and draw my hidden tunnel. It will start here and ends at the end. At the top view, I'll see the beginning of the tunnel and the end of the tunnel. So I'll take a projection from here, 1 and 2, and I'll draw a hidden line from here there. Again, hidden line from here there. Okay, so this is my tunnel and this is my part of my group. Again, we have a hole. We have a hole here. This hole is 520 through. This hole is 520 through. Let's draw it. Okay, we'll go to content before we switch on our structure, don't forget, and go to content, through holes, user through, down, top view, and hover at the arc. I'll have the center, enter, and give it a 20 millimeter diameter. It's a hidden because we're having here a hidden light current. Let us switch it back to AM0 and change this one to AM0 again. So this is my 20 millimeter hole. Now, as we can see here, when this tunnel intersects with the cylinder, we have intersection of cylinder, and it goes from here up, and then we have a curve. How to draw this curve? How to draw this curve? This is called intersection of cylinder. I already put a file in your class notebook. Okay, how to make this intersection of cylinders. We shall take many points in order to draw this arc. Okay, how to draw it and how to make it. So this is a new subject here, how to draw an intersection of cylinders. As we have an intersection of cylinders, we have our cylinder with the tunnel intersects here, and make a zoom in order not to take this line. Okay, intersects here. Okay, and here is the intersection. Okay, and they intersects in the middle. This is the intersection with this one and with this one. Let's take them up. So again, here and here. This is the beginning of the intersection, and as we can see in the top view, have 2 points. They will be projected as 1 point in the front view, and this is 1 point here. Okay. What about the side. Let's go and take a vertical line from here up and from here up, and the beginning here. As we can see, this is our tunnel and this is our cylinder. At the side view, the intersection of our cylinders will be from here and it goes till here. Yep, this arc is the intersection of our cylinders. This is arc of the tunnel and this is the cylinder. So they are intersecting in two main points. This is the main point and this is the other point. Where are they? Here? Here. So our arc will start here and ends here. But in order to draw an arc, we need another point between. So I suggest take an offset by 2 in order to make it more similarly to tangent, and take this 2. Okay, so I have another 2 points. There'll be 1 point here in the front, yeah? There's 2 points in the top, 1 intersection here, an intersection there, and they will project it as 1 point in the front view. Where are they in the side? Let us project into the side. And projection to the side, the new point is here. The other new point is here. Let us project them back, up, sorry. Here are they, 1, and the other is here, 2. Why do we do this? In order to find the intersection in the side view. They are intersect, both cylinders in the side view in this point, 1, and the other point will be the same. Okay, so take a projection line from the intersection here. What we have already in our front, we have 3 points: the beginning, the end, and the middle point. Okay, how we'll do? We'll draw an arc, 3-point arc, 3-point arc. First point is here. Second, my second point is here, and my third point is here. And of course, it goes a straight line down. So these 2 cylinders intersects not in a straight line, but in an arc and a straight line. So this line, trim it or take it up. Click here and take up, or just click a trim. It's up to you. Click here. Oh, sorry. Trim here. Enter and take this out. So let us take rid of our construction lines and click a mirror. So this is a mirror for the arc, intersection, and the line from the middle up. This is the intersection of my 2 cylinders. Now let us deal with the hole. The hole also is a cylinder, and we have here a cylindrical face. So intersection of cylinders 2. But as it is in the symmetry in the middle, okay, so we'll take we don't need to take another point. Of course, in order to be more precise, you have to take more points here. 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and it will be more points to join our arc. But for similarity, we can take only 3 points, and that's it. For this one, let us do it. Okay. My hole starts here and there. Let's take it up. Starts here and there. Good. Take it up to the side from here and from here. Okay. So Where is my hole? The hole starts here and goes down until these. And the side it will intersects here. Can you see? Let's go here. It starts here, down, and goes through. Through what? Through the hole, or the tunnel. So it will end with the end of my tunnel. It will end with the end of my tunnel. I'll go back here and draw a construction line in order to see where it will end. Now, I can take a projection of this hole as I wish, as you wish. Right click, new view, front view, from where it will begin from here and ends here. It makes a height situation. I already explained this height situation in last sessions. So I'll take, in order to take rid of my height situation, I'll click here, right click, and delete height situation in order to have my hole. Right click, delete height situation, sorry, again, yeah, right click, delete height situation. Oh my god, didn't take it. Again, right click and delete height situation. It deleted it already, yeah. Then what about here? We have intersection of cylinders. Can you see? One point, it will be one point here at the middle, and the other two this point will be at the both sides. This point will be at the both sides. So let me draw a hole first. We can't take a view because it's different in height. So I'll go a content, hole, go down, through hole, front view. My hole starts here and ends here. 20. Oh, we didn't change it. Let's change it to hidden. Go and change it to hidden. It's okay. Of course, what it did, it comes in front of my web. So I have to click on this, right click and delete height situation in order to be in the back of my web. So what we have? We have 2 points intersection, 1.2, and this is my 1 point. These 2 points are intersects in 1 point, which is in the middle. So I'll take a line at the middle of this one. Okay. And from the down, it intersects with this where here, in this point and in this point. Okay. You see? Or not? Okay. So what shall we do? We have 3 points already. 1, 2, 3. This is my arc. Will be here. I'll go for an arc. This is my first point. This is my second point, and this is my third point. I'll change it to hidden, of course. It's inside. And now what we'll do? We'll trim. Okay, between these. Sorry. What it takes like this. Trim between this one and this one. Enter. I'll take this X. So this is my intersection of my cylinders inside. The tunnel will intersect with the hole in this shape. This is the beginning, this is the 2 points, and this is the end of my point. Okay. Now you had, of course, to add dimensions, center lines. In order to add center lines, we'll have a center line from here to here. Okay. I'll take this and right click and take the center line off. Switch the center line off, escape, take another center line manually from the middle to here. Okay. It's the same here. I'll switch off this one, right click, switch off, center line, escape, click at the center line, and my center line will be down. Here I'll switch off again, right click, switch off the center line of the hole in order to draw center line cross. This is my center and this is my end of my circle. Of course, it's the tunnel, and the tunnel is small. I can take this one and delete it if you wish. Take another center line from here to here. What's this center line there? Let us take a construction line at the center line and draw a center line manually from here there. Okay, so this is our center lines. We'll continue with adding dimensions and labeling the views. This way we come to end of our session. See you in next lectures, and sorry that Teams didn't upload the lecture, so you have to wait a little bit, and I'll upload it to YouTube and send it to you back. See you later. Goodbye.